Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the solid-state drive 2230, loosen the 2 screws on the side cover and slide the cover off the system. Unlatch and remove the front bezel. Find the hard drive assembly and disconnect the cables. Unlatch and remove the assembly from the system. Identify the disk drive cage, disconnect the cable, and remove the screw securing it. Lift the cage up and flip it over. Disconnect the cables and remove the cage from the system. Identify the solid-state drive and loosen the screws securing it to remove the drive from the system. To reinstall the solid-state drive 2230, place it back in the system, secure it with the screw. Place the disk drive cage back in the system and plug in the cables. Flip the cage over, install the screw, and reconnect the cables. Relatch the hard drive assembly to the system and reconnect the cables. Relatch the front bezel and tighten the 2 screws to secure the side cover. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.